Hi, I'm Gary, and I'd like to welcome you to my boat, Steelaway. Steelaway is where my husband and I call home. She is 50 feet long, 15 feet wide. She was originally built in 1991. She was commissioned as a fishing boat, but her fishing career never got off the ground. Instead, she was purchased and turned into a trawler-style liveaboard boat. Now, 3 years ago, we bought her, and we have spent 3 years restoring, updating, and remodeling her. Now, I know I've said this before that we were close to being ready to cruise, and we had some setbacks, but now I think we might truly be ready to cruise. And I would like to take you and introduce you to my galley, where I think all the magic happened. Now, over the last 3 years, Steelaway has made a lot of changes. There has been a lot of things done, redone. Some things have been redone like 3, 4 times. But the thing that you really see, because a lot of those things, you don't see them. They're kind of behind the scenes. But what do you see the most? The most visible change that has happened on Steelaway? Well, that's my galley. Now, as a retired chef, I'm not tired of cooking. I still love being in the galley. It's still my happy place. So my husband, he pretty much let me have free range with the galley. So let me introduce you to my new galley. So welcome to my galley. Now my galley is one area that is 99% done. We have brand new countertops. I went with a solid surface countertop for their antibacterial properties and their easier maintenance. And of course, my stove. Now we went with an Italian stove because they do commercial grade stoves, but for small spaces. I did lose a little bit of space over here, but only about an inch. So my pegboard was also an addition that we added because in small spaces, you kind of have to go up for added space. And again, we just went with the backsplash. We continued the countertops all the way up. Brand new sink and faucet. And as you see, I've got a very deep sink, which I absolutely love. So in that theme of going upwards, like you can see, I have all my knives hanging. And I found these little containers so I can easily reach for things that I need on a daily basis. This box here also contains things that I reach for every single day. Now, I call it my island top. This is curly redwood. This was something when we went to the redwood forest in California. I told Billy I wanted a slab of redwood for my island top, and he made that happen for me, and he and our friend Adam built that for me. Now I know that's supposed to be where you hang your towels, but I prefer to hang things again that I reach for and touch on a daily basis. Now I think she looks pretty good. Now she did start off with pink Formica countertops, so she really has come up a lot from that. But I think she's just beautiful, and I love her. And what I'm here to ask is for you to come along on the journey that we call Steelaway. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to come on this journey. And on this journey, I would love to share with you all parts of Steelaway and the rooms as they come together, and what we've done, and why, and how I store this and why. So we'd love to take you on the different ports, all the ports of call that we go to, and just see the beauty that we see, and share with you what's in season or what's local where we are, and bring that back to Steelaway so in the galley we can make something incredible with it. But my biggest thing that my heart wants to share, and that is that no matter you live in a small space or a big space, because you don't have to live on a boat to come on this journey with us, but no matter the size of your environment, you can still make good, wholesome, fresh food without additives, without preservatives, without chemicals, without being processed. So I want to show you how, even if we're going on a 3-month cruise, how I stock Steelaway, how I stock my freezer and why, how I stock my pantry and why. And no matter what we want, and maybe I just want a brown sugar cinnamon latte, well, I can do that without additives and chemicals. And maybe we just want pizza night, and we can have pizza night no matter what we want. Billy might want chocolate milk, and I can make him chocolate syrup without additives and chemicals. So we can do all of these things. You can live this life without preservatives, no matter the size of the space you are in. So I'd love to take you on this journey with me to show you how easy it is to make all of these things, and maybe surprise you of some things that things have in them that you had no idea about, but also show you the beauty of where we go, and just bring you on this venture that we're on, because our plan is, well, we have no plan. So we don't know from one day to the next where we might go. It's just wherever the mood strikes us. So I hope to take you on this journey. I hope to share with you the knowledge that I have, and I hope that you will also in turn share with me the knowledge that you have, and how you make things, and how you stock things, and how you preserve things. Would love to have you impart your wisdom on me. So please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and come on this journey with us. Absolutely. We would love to have you. So we hope to welcome you aboard. And until next time, safe cruising.